Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Best way is how. Is it possible to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency? Absolutely yes. If you're just starting crypto day trading, here is everything you should know about making money day trading. The best way to make $100 a day on cryptocurrency is to invest around $1,000 and track a 10% rise on one pair. This is a realistic approach compared to investing $200 and tracking a 50% rise of the pair. This is because, when it comes to crypto investment, the trick is to always put in a substantial amount of money and increase your chances of making a profit from it. But before you make $100 a day, you need to know how to day trade. And day trading works for people who are willing to dedicate their time and money. For starters, you need to have time and the right software to analyze data so that you can make the right decisions. Making $100 a day might not happen on the first day, but with proper skills and experience, you can reach your target. How to day trade crypto? Make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Day trading is buying and selling trades on the same day. If you want to day trade, you need to dedicate some time to learning the skill. The best day traders spend enough time analyzing the trades to make a profit. Here are some tips to help you with day trading. Mathematical analysis. Mathematical analysis is important for day traders. It helps you to study the trends and predict the outcomes of specific trades. If math is not your forte, don't be worried. You can still learn the basics like reading charts and patterns. Even better, there are incredible automated software and tools you can use for this. Indicators for NinjaTrader 8 from Blueside Global are an excellent example. With NinjaTrader 8 automated software platform, you get analytics, trends, and support to help you with the technical analysis. Stay updated on the market trends. It is important to always know what happens in the crypto market. You can do this by reading the news and following blogs. Social media is also a good place to get news, but you need to do that from reliable sources. Best way to flip money. It is possible to make good money in crypto. However, you need to know the strategies to help you make money. Here are some of the best ways to flip money. Get dividends. It is possible to earn dividends by owning crypto. There are coins out there termed digital assets. Owning these coins gives you dividends, just like it happens with stock. However, it is important to do research to determine which coins are doing well before putting in your money. Doing enough research will help you to get good dividends from the coins. Some of the coins that you can invest in include COSS, CEFF, NEO, and KuCoin. Buy and wait to sell at a profit. Buying for speculative purposes is one of the most common ways to make money on crypto. With this strategy, you need to have some liquid cash with you. You will have to wait for some time before you get your money back. Sometimes the prices might go down instead of going up, so you still need to put this into consideration. Buying crypto for speculation is ideal for beginners because during this time they get an opportunity to learn. Try using reliable platforms like Coinbase when doing so. Day trading. Day trading is a common way to earn money from crypto. Using this trading method, you will need to dedicate some time and money. Most day traders do it as a full-time job because it involves doing research and analysis. It is possible to make money through trading and even make it your full-time job. Day traders make good money when they become good at it. Using reliable trading platforms like the NinjaTrader and the best indicators such as the NinjaTrader indicators, you can certainly make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency or more. Staking. Staking crypto is a way to earn money by holding crypto in a particular network. With this method of crypto investment, you make money when your coins are in your digital wallet. Staking might not earn you a lot of money, but it is still a good way to earn money. This is the least common way to make money with crypto. How to take profits in crypto. The whole point of trading crypto is to make a profit. A time will come when you need to cash out or take profits. When it comes to taking a profit, you might need to invest the profit back or get the equivalent of cash. Here is how to take profit in crypto without selling. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, P2P, is a good way to take profits in crypto. With this method, you'll own your crypto and you will get an assured return of at least 20%. Peer-to-peer lending is popular with Ethereum coins, and you will have to use smart contracts to help with trading. This is a good way to take profits from crypto without selling it. Arbitration. Since cryptocurrency is global, it allows trading in different currencies. In this method of taking profits, you will have to look for another site that trades crypto, let's say Bitcoin, in a different currency. If they are offering a better rate with your Bitcoin, then you can take your profits there. This is a good way to earn money and take advantage of your profits. Taking profits is holding. Taking profits is holding is always a debate. The truth is that it depends on your situation. If you are a new trader, you need to practice a lot. It is advisable to hold your crypto instead of taking the profits. Holding the profits will help you to learn how to trade and learn from market trends. When to take profits in crypto? You can take profits in crypto at 50%. This is a good place to set your profit because it allows you to grow your profit and diversify your risk. The truth is that every trader has a preference depending on the amount of risk that they are willing to take. Best coins to collect for profit. Before collecting any crypto coins, you need to do enough research. You need to check the coins that are performing well and also make sure that you can make a profit from them. Here are some of the best coins to collect if you want to make a profit. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, Polygon. New coins are coming up every day, so you need to be on the lookout. Reading the news and doing some research will help you to make the right choice. What is spot trading in crypto? Spot trading is buying and selling crypto in real time. Using this method, you sell or buy crypto on the live market based on the indicated current price. With this method of trading, you hope to sell the coins in the future time at a profit. You need to be a seasoned trader to use this method because it involves some level of risk. Spot trading might be intimidating for some people because you might not have a lot of time to plan when buying or selling your coins. Does pattern day trading apply to crypto? Yes, pattern trading applies to crypto because it is a form of security. Pattern day trading applies to all retail investors, preventing them from risking too much, trading in so many trades within a short period. The best thing about crypto trading is that you do not have to worry about trading limits. It is possible to trade as much as you want because crypto is not regulated by FINRA or the SEC like other forms of securities like stock. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.